If you're looking for a free alternative to Microsoft Office, you've probably come across LibreOffice and OnlyOffice. I've spent some time using both, and here's the quick breakdown. LibreOffice is the veteran. It comes packed with features for documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. It's completely open source and works offline without any issues. If you're someone who needs powerful tools and advanced functionality, LibreOffice definitely delivers. OnlyOffice, on the other hand, focuses heavily on a modern experience. Right away, the interface feels cleaner and much closer to Microsoft Office. That means less of a learning curve, especially if you're switching from Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. It also does a great job with Microsoft file compatibility and real-time collaboration. So, which one wins? If you want the most features and don't mind a slightly dated interface, LibreOffice is the stronger choice. But if you value a modern design, better Office compatibility, and smoother collaboration, OnlyOffice takes the lead. For me, OnlyOffice feels more polished for everyday use, while LibreOffice remains the power user's favorite. What do you prefer? Let me know in the comments.